Hi, we are First Tech Challenge Team 10464 of the Bionic Tigers. And for the past 3 years, we have created and hosted a Girl Scouts badge program for Daisies, Brownies, and Juniors to earn 3 robotics badges. This is an instructional video on how to create your own Girl Scouts robotics badge program. Our final badge is showcasing robots. To do this, we need to create a presentation to share how we designed our robot. For this step, we have the design groups work together and present the robot prototype to the large group. They include the problem they are creating a robot to solve, how the robot works, and plan to demonstrate it. We also need to tell others how we designed our robot. Each group presents to the large group to share their prototype and demonstrate their robot. We then need to learn about robotics competitions and learn about robotics teams. Our team shares with the Girl Scouts how our robot competitions work. We show a video of the competition design and talk about how we work together as a team to design and build a robot to compete. Our team is split into 3 sub-teams: build, programming, and business. We take time with the girls and talk about what members of each team do and share how that matches with their interests. Finally, we need to see robots in action. We demonstrate our robot for the Girl Scouts to show them how our competition bot completes tasks. We also have a demonstration robot that we can let the girls drive. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you continue to inspire young generations through STEM.
Great job.